Dear viewers, welcome to this video session on learning management system. In this video, we will discuss about the overview of learning management system and what are the learning management system available with the open source as well as the proprietary softwares, and also we will discuss about the how to use it and then what are the benefit and advantage and disadvantage of learning management system. In the earlier days, around 90s, some of the faculty members were struggled to retain the student who did not have a fund, that means the fee payment and all, or otherwise because of family commitment they could not able to continue the courses. In this case, the faculty want to encourage the student to continue the courses. They were struggle to have the physical environment to keep them or track them back to the courses. But Tom Walker knew there had been some kind of tools that could be enable the people to communicate with each other without being in the same place at the same time. So from there they have started with the software learning management system. Earlier days it is called as a content management system, where they have put only the content for the student to facilitate them to read the content as well as the to capture their activities through the software. So let us see what are the definitions for the learning management system. The learning management system, also called as a LMS, is broadly term used to describe the software tools designed to manage user learning intervention and provide access to online learning services for teachers, students as well as the administrators, or a software system that allow the development and delivery of educational resources using the internet as a delivery system. The LMS is a set of software tools designed to manage user learning intervention, including online, virtual classroom, instructor-led courses. The web-based and facilitates anytime, any pace, any place to access the learning content and the administration. A learning management system commercially developed and also restricted to access to their source code or free and open source model also exist. That means there are two types of learning management systems are available. One is commercially developed learning management system, which you have to purchase the source code and or otherwise you have to get the facilities from the developers. And other type of learning management systems are free or open source models, which you have to download this, you have to take the source from the site or from the providers, the learning management system providers, and installed in your server to use the services. So the commercially managed LMS are Blackboards, WebCity, eCollege and Desire to Learn. These are some of the commercial systems for which are providing the LMS with the fee. And open source, with they provide the open source courses, the source code to the whoever want to utilize the learning management system, such as Moodle, Sakai and coursework. These are some of the open source learning management systems where we can get the benefit for the use of the students as well as the teacher. And LMS can be used totally or partially or replaced by the face-to-face teaching learning process. Some of the schools, they are using the face-to-face teaching learning system, and they are using the LMS for their activities, class activities, or otherwise for circulating the extra material to the student. And the student will submit their assignments and submit their classwork on the LMS. And sometimes some organization, they are using LMS for their training to the employees and some of the circulars and other things are uploaded in the LMS. The focus of an LMS is to manage the learners, keep tracking their progress and performance across all type of training activities as well as the course activities. The virtual environment used by the universities and the colleges allow the instructor to manage their courses and exchange information with the students. So, LMS is used for this because all the course activities are managed by the teachers on LMS, and they disseminate the information to the students. In the learning management system, where the learners have the self services, that means sometimes they can self registration on the instructional lead course or training. Course or training flows also available for the user notification, manager approval, wait list management and all, and provision for online learning, that means computer based course instruction, read and understand the concept or the subject, the course material for that particular subject is available on online. The student can make use of it. Also, the student can take part in the activities also. And learning management system provides the online assessment, management of continuous professional education, CPC. Suppose if any organization want to provide a continuous professional education to train their employee or to train the faculty, so LMS can be used. In some of the cases, LMS can be used for the on-spot examination or the on-spot recruitment. They are using if the number of participant increase, they are using LMS to provide the on-spot test also to filter the candidates. And also the collaborative learning, where that LMS provides the application to share or to discuss the some of the concept using discussion forum and all. And the training resource management and also where the faculty or instructor upload the various resources to the end user, where they can make use of the resources for their gaining the knowledge on that particular subject or particular training. Learning management system also used to help the educator to create effective online learning communities and create online courses with the opportunities for rich interaction. So, whenever you are moving towards the online environment for teaching learning practices, the interaction is very much important. So, the LMS provides the interaction facility, which is the one of the component of the LMS. And modular in construction and can be readily be extended by the creating some of the plugins for specific new functionalities. Most of the LMS have the functions of plugin options, where you can you can install the third party software to get some of the facilities. For example, if you want to use the plagiarism checking software like Turnitin or other Urkund type of plagiarism checking software, the LMS like Moodle and others are having the facility to plug in with the third party software, so that the content whatever the uploaded by the student as a assignment can be checked with the plagiarism software to provide the copyright, to check the copyright issues and the plagiarism. So, these are some of the plugin facilities are available in the learning management system. And also it promotes the collaboration, creative and critical reflection, etc. And it is suitable for 100% online courses as well as the supplement to the face-to-face learning. and it is very simple, effective, compatible and low technology browser interface and is easy to install also. Some of the software are open source LMS, or some they are providing the nowadays providing easy installation facilities, so that the any end user can make use of that particular LMS. It provides you the search request or register for the courses, for online courses or online training, and also automated completion of online courses. You can set for the automated completion after completing certain activity, and with the certain percentage of the required percentage to complete the activity, then automatically the system provides the certification to the end user. This is also the facilities are available in LMS. And the user interactive facilities such as threaded discussion, video conferencing, discussion forum also received email notification. You can set up the email notification, that email notification or information about the courses can be sent through the notification to the learners, so that automatic information will be sent to the all the students who were registered for that particular course. And the very important task for the LMS are, it will facilitate a truly integrated and blended approach by including the instructor lead and web-based and other learning activities. It helps improve the bottom line result by maximizing the efficiency and the reducing the course or training expenditure by automating process. It allows easy allocation of course or training resources and reduce the time and cost of learning resource administration. It ensures the all learning is undertaken in a secured password protected environment. And it manages the reports to evaluate the learning performance. The LMS helps provide usage and cost information for manager or coordinator to accurately assess the return on investment of training activity. It enables full tracking of learning resources and performances, use a range of standard reports. It provides detailed reporting to individual, which can provide valuable information on training and assessments. LMS provides online collaborated tools. The tools existing consist of forums, chat rooms and emails, or facilitating them to interact with the teacher as well as the learners, and also learner to learner interaction facilities. LMS enhance the overall learning experience by enabling an organizational own learning community. It provides a truly blended learning experience to increase knowledge retention. It encourages learners to manage their own course training with access to their learning records and also the training needs. The learners, instructors and administrator can communicate each other using mail, chat room or discussion forum or message boards. What are the roles of the LMS? LMS have registration facilities, managing the process, testings, monitor and maintaining, and users function and administrative functions are available in the learning management system. Let us see what are the advantage of LMS. The ability of an LMS to allow you to fully manage and track your own learning path. It provides support for distance learning, purposefully designed for the online learning as well as the blended learning. It has safety and secured information, easy to use, and also it is centrally supported to all the administrator as well as the end users. What are the disadvantages of LMS? In the earlier days, it was like a cost effective. If you are going for full-fledged open source or otherwise if you are going for the proprietary software, then it involve lot of cost in that particular software. For example, if you are going for the open source, then you require some of the plugins, then also some cost involved. So both the cost and expensive is there, because if you are going for the open source software, the software source code will be freely available, but for maintaining these database and also the student record, you need the human resource support for that. So for that you have to pay the salary for the database manager or otherwise the LMS administrator also. And it is time required for installing this necessary hardware, software, and also the courses and databases, because sometimes it is a one time investment where you need a very good server space to keep all the courses, because the number of student may be more, than you need a sophisticated server to store the information and all. Also you need a software like sometimes you cannot rely on the open source software, where you need a lot of plugin software to enrich these LMS. And it is mostly web based, it is not a standalone system. So you need a web based services for the LMS, and definitely you need a LMS administrator to manage the all kind of activity, to manage the backend operation like a database management and also course management, and for the to manage the record of the student and the archiving purpose, etc., because the teacher can only manage their own courses and like that. So the administrator of the institution or administrator of the LMS should manage all kind of the backend operation. How will the LMS will be useful for me as a learner? So suppose I am a learner, then how it will be helpful for me? The LMS provides a convenient and consistent interface for all the learner with access to all their courses through a single login. So the student will have only one credential to access all their courses. The course coordinator determines the design of the courses and the specific LMS tool used in each courses. The greatest possible educational flexibility is supported within a single familiar system. E-portfolios allow the learners to accessible, present and share their information online for documenting their own academic growth and assisting their career aspirations. So let us see some of the open source learning management system. These are the list which explain the open source learning management system: eTutor, Canvas and the Moodle and eFront. These are the some of the open source learning management system. Here is the list for the proprietary learning management system. The very important or very famous proprietary learning management system are the Blackboard, eCollege, and these are the list. You can go through the list by clicking the link. The link is also providing here. So the learning management system have application domains where it can be used for colleges, schools and open university, distance education centers and other universities, the institutional purpose, and also it is used for the corporate training. The organization also used for their own training purpose, and also it will be helpful for the students who have special needs. That is also possible in use. In the LMS provides the facility for this type of functionaries. And the LMS have the modules, instructor, administrator and learners. There are three type of modules are available. Learners modules, where the learners will get the interaction with the LMS. Instructor, where the instructor can upload their courses and monitoring and tracking the learners. Administration will have the backend support of all the courses. So administration model will have the entire control of the application with the user interface. The user interface is very friendly for the administrative model, and also you can keep tracking of the way of the all the reports for student reports as well as the course reports, logs. The logs provides the when the student log in to the system and when the teacher log in to the system, what are the activities taking place, and all the information, and also that the administrative module facilitate to take up the backups and also maintaining the archives of the courses. And learners model provides the entirely web based learning system for the classroom activities as well as the online courses, and it can be customized for their student learning plan. There is a group activities also available. You can prepare a group for particular student, and that group can actively working on the group activities, and also it is facilitated for the collaborative activities, and also it have a teaching calendar when to submit the assignment and the last date, and everything will be available on the teaching calendar, and the student can able to see their progress, how they are progressing on the course, and able to communicate with the teacher as well as the student community, and they can use the FAQs for clear their doubts or to know more information about the course and other activities. Online assessments are available that they can use for online quizzes and other tests to test their knowledge, and also to know their what are the how they have reached the learning outcomes. And instructor module provides that they can order their online courses, or they can upload their course elements, whatever the course materials, and also they can design the assessment assignments, quizzes for the student, and they can evaluate the assignment. They can keep tracking of all the student records. They can send individual mail to the student or otherwise bulk notification to the student announcement. They can send the information through announcement. They can create discussion forum to interact with the student to find the reflection on the particular course or particular topic, and also they can maintain the course grade book for the student as well as the log book of the student. So, let us see some of the open source or some of the LMS which facilitate the teaching learning practices or the learning management, how we can use the learning management system for teaching learning process. So, Moodle is one of the very robust learning management system where it provides the control. The teacher has a full control over all settings for a course, choice of course format such as a weekly format or topic wise format, and also discussion focused on social format. Course themes facilitates the forums, quizzes, glossaries, resources, surveys, assignment, chat, and also you can prepare for the workshop, etc. So, these are the facilities provided by the Moodle as a LMS, and this is the site where you can see moodle.net, where you can see the how many courses are available on Moodle and how many registration, how many countries are using this Moodle platform. So, you can find the statistics of the Moodle before getting into the platform. So, this is the main platform of Moodle website, that is moodle.org, where you can find this open source code. You can download the software and install in your server and make use of the facilities. And the general features of the software or this LMS is, it is a modern, easy to use interface and easy to install, and it provides the collaborative tools and activities. You can design your own activity, and also it has a both desktop facility as well as the mobile services. This LMS can be mobile friendly software also. It has many activities like assignments, chat, choice, database, feedback, discussion forum, glossary, and you can plan for lesson. External tools such as you can plug in the various softwares also, and you can create quizzes, you can upload the Scrum packages, and you can manage a survey. And this is very good by the collaborative tool like a wiki is there, and blogs also can be used using this Moodle platform. And have a inbuilt calendar where the student and teacher can have a teaching calendar to meet the course deadline, group meetings, and etc. And it is a very simple and intuitive text editor where easily the teacher and student can upload their activities. And there is a notification facilities available, and also tracking the progress of the student as well as the completion of individual as well as the whole participants also possible. And it has facilities of the teacher compatibilities as well as the learner compatibilities. Another learning management system open source or say Crowline. It allows the teacher to write a course description, publish the documents in any format, and also private discussion forum, develop the learning path, and create a groups of students, prepare online exercise, publishing the announcement, etc. It can be, the content can be translated into 35 more languages, and these are the website for the Crowline LMS. And OLET is another open source LMS. It's have a multilingual online translation tool, have flexible course system, offers a wikis and single page with the integrated where you can see and where you can get HTML editor, focus and discussion forum, file logs, elements, and to discuss the papers, questionnaire, and course evaluation, etc. This is the website for OLET. And eFront is another open source software where it provides the wide range of features from content creation, text builder, project management, extended statistics, internal management system, focus, discussion forum, chat facilities, etc. The lessons, courses, and categorizing the management of file management, exam builders, assessment builders, communication tools, etc. is available in this platform. This is a site for the eFront LMS. And FutureLearn environment is another learning management system. It supports learners and group centered work that concentrate on creating and developing the expression of knowledges, easy to localize for different languages. And this platform can be used by the teachers and students to store different items, organize them to folder, and share them to the others also. This is the website for the FutureLearn environment. And KEWL next generation is another LMS. It supports full range of educational options from simple delivery and summative assessment through approaches such as problem based learning. And Pragaspati is one of the learning management systems developed by the IITs of India. It has a platform independent, high scalable content delivery tool for web based learning system. It supports multiple GUI languages including English, Hindi, French, Urdu, Bangla, and Marathi. It can be used to deploy e-learning content for off-campus, self as well as the monitored one. And Pragaspati enables the instructors to enhance the on-campus learning by sharing the course materials, having class discussions and making assessments on web based. It can upload and publish the content material in any format directly to the courses. It can manage students' detail in his own course, including the addition, deletion and modification. Have the facility to take the backup facility of the course materials and whatever the instructor and student interaction and everything can be taken in the for as a backup, and also the user can communicate online through the chat as well as the whiteboard. So this is the website for Pragaspati, and this was developed by the IIT. What can be done in this learning management system? We have discussed many learning management system in this session. The LMS, particularly open source one, have a crucial role in bridging the digital divide. To maximize their benefit, the higher education institution in other countries must integrate them with their website, portals, library, catalogs, learning repositories and instant messaging, etc. So, the learning management system provides wide range of facilities for teaching learning purpose, both teacher or facilitators, the end user, either the employees or the students, and the administrative and the organization.